The Window Depot, like our tagline says, is more than a window store, where we stock thousands of cabinets, interior and exterior doors, granite and quartz countertops, door locks, iron doors, you name it, we do it.
I had a separate business when I first moved to Arizona, and I met the owner of the window company. He was actually a customer of mine. And one day I told him I was going to get out of this business, and he said, well, come to work for me. And since that time, it was a great relationship. A lot of rocky roads over the years, the ups and downs in the economy. I went from everywhere from making windows to selling windows, back to making windows, back to selling windows, and then we started the Window Depot. Well, you know, we've taken a lot of time to make sure the store is easily shopped. We have fairly wide aisles. We have a big selection of different products. We like to brag of the fact that we've got everything now, even the kitchen sink. Because a few years ago, we added kitchens to our lineup of products. We have a lot of special order programs in kitchens, and we do a big stock program. You can come in today or tomorrow and pick out a kitchen that you like and take it home with you, so you can start putting it in for yourself, if you're a do-it-yourselfer. If not, we have plenty of contractors to help you.
So something we're known for at the Window Depot is always having the best price on something. We always have the best deal buy on something, and we've recently just redeveloped our iron door program, where iron doors are starting as low as $1,500. Our quartz and granite countertops are prefabricated. They're the best price, starting at $200. It's an easy installation, a lot less labor is involved in them, makes it so much easier for the everyday consumer. Not only are we a window manufacturer, but we're also a skylight manufacturer. And the brand that we sell is Solar Industries, which is based here in Tucson, Arizona as well. And so we manufacture traditional dome skylights and tube lights that we sell in our retail stores. The core window product sold at the Window Depot is a vinyl window product, from our in-house brand of SI Windows to the Milgard brand that we sell. We sell many other brands as well, but those are our two core product lines that we sell. We have our own door shop where we hang our own interior doors. So the commodity-driven 6 panels and the 2-panel arch style doors that we hang ourselves. And also we stock a variety of other suppliers, pre-hung units from 1-panel shakers to 3-panel shakers. Everything that you need for today's market and trying to renovate your home or flip a house. We're right up down your alley of what you need. Our job is to help you find the products that you need for your home, and so we're staffed with knowledgeable people that help you understand what you're getting yourself into, because it can be a lot, whether you're remodeling your kitchen, you're ripping out your windows, replacing your doors. It can be a lot, and our staff is here to help you every step of the way. Whether you're shopping online or in store, please come visit the Window Depot so you can experience the great value that we bring all of our customers.